Okay, welcome back guys to R27. Don't forget to review that school or send it to a friend who has been to that school. So there is a website that has a lot of schools on it from different countries. It's free information. You can help somebody by reviewing if you have had first-hand experience with the school, or you have attended, or you know somebody has attended. So please spread the word. Subscribe to this channel, Adedamola Oluketuyi, so you can get more information. So now, without further ado, for example, now you pick USA. Your goal, USA cannot be the goal. Like I said, it cannot be the goal. You cannot say, USA is the end goal. What does the country do for you? That's how you find as a lot of people that have gotten here, they even have passports. They have stayed. Okay, yeah, you want this thing, but there's nothing after that. It's like, okay, you just sit down and start collecting government money. It's not done. Do you understand? You are leaving your country for something, so you should have that goal intact. So having that goal intact means, for example, now this is where they cheat people a lot. People say, yeah, they cheated me and everything, because you did not have this figured out. So your goal, academics and finance. So if you don't know, you know the country, have your goals figured out. Do you understand? Like I said before, have your academics figured out and this. So if you say now, for example, now for the USA, you must have this requirement. But if you now say, for example, now, I want to study. First, you wanted to study in Canada. Your goal was this. Then, all of a sudden, you find yourself going to Cyprus. Now, why are you going to Cyprus? You know that at the end of the day, your goal is just to go. For someone like Cyprus now, you know that maybe your goal is just to get good education. You just want to be in another country. You're not planning to work and study. Do you understand? That's not your goal. You're not planning to work and study. You're not planning to permanently stay to look for a job, because those opportunities are there. Those opportunities are not there to stay back and look for a job and everything. And you now say, what they call it now? You now say, as a person, you want to have job, you want to have everything that abroad is abroad. This is where people mistake it first. You have to do your research. Does your goals, do all your goals, can you achieve it in that country? So abroad is not abroad, because every country has its own, even the country you are living in, every state has its own requirements of how things are being done. Do you understand? So self-deception of, yeah, when I get there, I will try to find out a way. That's the beginning of doom. That's the beginning, you understand? So before, there was an immigration scheme from Cyprus to Germany. I think there was a scholarship program that they did that time, but it's not existent again. If you do not have a line, exact line of how it's done, forget it. That crossing thing is imaginary. Let me tell you how some crossings are realistic. For example, students that study in Russia. Russia is a cheap country. So for example now, you can look at it that Russia, you want to get quality education. Quality education, Russia. Do you understand? You are not planning to work or do anything. When you get quality education, at least you can travel fast. The visa is fast. The visa is fast, do you understand? And everything. So when you get there, you now find out that when you're in Russia, when you have completed your bachelor's degree, you now decide that you want to. So for example, you maybe Canada is the main goal, or Germany is the main goal. In Germany, they respect Russian degrees. It's a fact. It's not guessing. It's a fact. They respect. There are a lot of Russian, Turkish doctors here too. Do you understand? So you want to go to Turkey or you want to go to Russia? There are a lot of doctors here that are Russian and Turkish. So that information you have to find out first. So you want to go to Russia, you cannot afford Germany now. You can go to Russia, finish your BSc. When it's time for your MSc, you now come to Germany, which I have a lot of students that have done. So it's a fact. It's not a matter of guessing that, oh, yeah, this is what might happen, this is what might happen. So please, without further ado, you understand? I'll not waste too much of your time again and say your GAF has to be in place. It has to be all up. If you have this all up, nobody can deceive you. So to even make sure that your goals are in place, sometimes you might not know that, you might not want to just do personal research and everything. That's why you can go to places like R27. That's Reviews 27. Reviews 27. Reviews with S. Reviews 27. REVIEWS 27.com. Places like that, you can see student ratings by students, you understand, and you can make informed decisions. You can ask your GAF, you understand, you can ask the goals if these goals are achievable in this country. So make informed decisions. I'll see you next time. Subscribe, make sure you drop a like and share it, and subscribe to a friend that needs it. Take care. Bye.